G'day guys, it's Sandy here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the creation of a very cute Christmas card using my Miya HIMI paints. And this Christmas card is for my good YouTube friend and buddy Charlotta Sophia. It's a little bit of a collab video, this one. She's done the same thing. She's created a Christmas card for me and I have it here, and you'll see what she created at the end of my video here, so stay tuned. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to go over to Charlotta's channel to see how she created the card that you're going to see, and let her know what you think. Let me know what you think of my card as well, and give us a thumbs up. And also, by the way, thank you Charlie for my card, I really love it. So Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays and all that, and yep, stay tuned for the rest of it. Here it comes.
Sorry I didn't kiss you. Sorry I didn't kiss you. Sorry I didn't kiss you. Love couldn't get any worse. That because it just hurt. Oh, I'd do anything. Oh, you look so nice in your shirt. Oh, bubblegum, bubblegum. Sorry I didn't kiss you. Sorry I didn't kiss you. Bubblegum down my throat and it's occurred. Oh, and these 7 years will be pretty done. Oh, that because it just hurt. Oh, I'd do anything. Oh, you look so nice in your shirt. Oh, bubblegum, bubblegum. Sorry I didn't kiss you. Sorry I didn't kiss you. Sorry I didn't kiss you. Love couldn't get any worse. That because it just hurt. Oh, I'd do anything. Oh, you look so nice in your shirt. Oh, bubblegum, bubblegum. Sorry I didn't kiss you. Sorry I didn't kiss you. Bubblegum down my throat and it's occurred. Oh, and these 7 years will be pretty done. Oh, that because it just hurt. Oh, I'd do anything. Oh, you look so nice in your shirt. Oh, bubblegum, kiss you. Love couldn't get any worse. That because it just hurt. I'd do anything. You look so nice in your shirt. Bubblegum. Sorry I didn't kiss you. Sorry I didn't kiss you. Bubblegum down my throat and it's a curse. Oh, and these 7 years will be pretty dumb. Oh, that because it just hurt. I'd do anything. You look so nice in your shirt.
Delivery. There's a whole bunch of things inside. Oh. It looks metallic. Is it metallic or is it just my eyes? Look at this gorgeous card. Thank you, Sandy, so much for sending this over to me. I am overwhelmed. I was expecting a card and she sent me a whole bunch of things. So thank you so much, and thank you for your friendship as well.
Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I love it. Oh, there's another one. Oh. Thank you, Charlotta. I love it. You're the best friend ever. Love my little card. Thank you. So good. Clever. Snow globe.